Friends, I was changing 2010 Nissan Versa's lower control arm, front drive side, and this is Versa. So I checked it. YouTube says like the tipping point is under the body. You go under and see a like control arm or mount, whatever, and here it is. So you see this one, you have to release it so the engine transmission can move forward, but still I could not get this nut off. This is the nut, it has problem. I mean, this is the bolt. This is 22 millimeter bolt on the side of the control arm, which is touching the transmission, and it can't come out. So when it doesn't come out, you can pull the control arm out. So what happened, I tried a lot, but I could not do it. So next thing I did, I put jack under the transmission, and then I released over here on the top mount, transmission mount. I released it to the maximum. So after losing the maximum, then I put it up, and then I was the transmission got up and the bolt got clearance, but with little struggle. So I could take it out. Now I put a new control arm, and the bolt is inside. And the bolt is here. Bolt is here inside. You see that? Yeah. Bolt is inside. Now I have to tighten it. And the other things, I think those for me those goes easy. This one, this one, and this one, it went easy. So hopefully it will go back easily. So this is what I am telling you, that when you have to take this out, you have to displace the transmission toward the front maximum as possible, and then also upwards. Only then you can take that bolt out. Hope this will help, my friends. Thank you.